Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe at home. Today, we are going to learn a new lesson in science. Unit 2, Water, a primary source of life. Water is one of the most important resources on earth. All living things like small organisms, plants, and animals need water to survive. People use water for various purposes. Rain is one of the main sources of water. Do you know a camel can drink 60 to 100 liters of water at a time and live without water for several days? World Water Day is observed on 22nd March. Water and its uses. All living things on earth need water to live. Human beings, animals, plants need water to live. We need water for a lot of activities. We need water to brush our teeth, to wash our face, to bath daily. Yes, we need to keep our body clean. We must take bath daily. We need water to drink. We should drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water daily to stay healthy. We need water to wash our hands. We should wash our hands with soap before eating and after using toilet. We need water to wash our clothes and utensils. We need water to clean the house. We use water to cook the food. Plants also need water to live and grow. What happens if we do not pour water to our plant for a few days? Yes, plants dry up and die. Plants grow well if they get enough water. They use water to make food. We also use water for gardening. Farmers use water for agriculture. Some plants like lotus and lily live in water. Not only human beings and plants, animals also need water for drinking and keep itself clean. Birds also need water to bath and drink. Fish also need water to live. Some animals are aquatic too. Okay, children, in this class, we almost completed the half lesson in this chapter. I hope you all understood. The rest of the lesson we will see in our next class. Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay home.